Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring the word balance. This is a B1 level noun that means stability or an even distribution. It's a word that's not only useful but also central to so many aspects of life. Let's start with the definition. Balance refers to a state where different elements are equal or in the correct proportions, creating stability. For example, when you stand on one leg, your body needs to maintain its balance so you don't fall over. But balance can also describe situations beyond the physical, like finding the right mix of work and leisure in your life. Now, let's look at some synonyms for balance. Words like equilibrium, harmony, and stability are similar. For instance, you might say, the artist achieved perfect harmony in the painting by using contrasting colors. Or, the tightrope walker kept their equilibrium despite the strong wind. Each of these words highlights a slightly different shade of meaning, but stays close to the idea of balance. On the flip side, let's talk about some antonyms, or words with opposite meanings. Words like imbalance, disorder, and instability come to mind. For example, the sudden shift in the economy caused instability in the markets. Or, without proper planning, the team fell into complete disorder. These examples show how lacking balance can lead to chaos or uncertainty. In everyday life, we use balance in so many ways. You might hear someone say, I'm trying to maintain a healthy balance between my personal life and work, or the chef added just the right amount of salt and spices to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. These are examples of how this word applies to both literal and figurative contexts. Here are a few more usage examples in sentences. The gymnast demonstrated incredible balance during her routine. It's important to find the right balance between saving money and enjoying life. He placed the vase carefully on the shelf to ensure it wouldn't lose its balance. To summarize, today we explored the word balance, a noun that means stability or an even distribution. We learned about its synonyms like equilibrium and harmony, and its antonyms like imbalance and disorder. We also saw how balance fits into our everyday conversations in both literal and metaphorical ways. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and join us on this language learning journey. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word balance and share it in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and keep learning.